So we have to leave it for 5 minutes, guys. Hello friendship, welcome to my channel. Today my new version ako ng cooking ng Chinese food or Mapo. This is famous here in Korea. So panoorin nyo guys ang aking cooking. So ito yung tofu guys, in-slice ko siya tsaka into cubes. Then iba-blanch natin or pakuluan natin sa boiling water. Then we have to slice the onions. We need some onions. It doesn't matter guys kung malaki or maliit ang onions nyo. Ang importante, we have some onions. Bago siya mag-boil, put some salt para mas tasty yung natin. So guys, it's already boiling. So ilagay na natin ang tufo slowly into the water, into the boiling water. Then leave it for 1 minute. Ayan guys, gisa na natin sa oil yung sibuyas. Galit sa akin yung sibuyas. Tinatalsikan ako. Galit na sa akin. So after guys, the onions, ilagay natin ang ginger, a piece of ginger, para to make hindi malansa ang sarap, parang nagluluto ka ng sinolang manok. Then ilagay yung minced pork. Then let it cook. Then we put some sesame oil. Again, this is my own version. Kasi masarap yung sesame oil. Put 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Tablespoon of soy sauce. Then put black pepper. Then I put some oyster sauce. Ayan. 1 tablespoon lang siya. And leave it guys for about a minute para mahalo-halo lang siya. And put a little bit of MSG and sugar. To make it more delicious. Then I put 1 teaspoon of mussel or white wine. So I put this Sichuan soup, so a Chinese fiction board bean paste sauce from China talaga. Then ilagay natin about 2 tablespoons siya, guys. Ano siya, parang anong tawag ngayon sa atin, yung misi, ano ba yun? Pero this is very spicy, a bit spicy. So ayan, after that, finally guys, ilalagay natin yung pinakuluan natin tofu. Blinanch pala yan. Then stir it. Medyo luto na rin yung yung tofu. Dahil so be careful lang para baka madurog yung tofu. So leave it for 5 minutes. Then put green onions on top. So that's it. So we have to leave it for 5 minutes, guys. So finally, guys, lagyan natin ng spring onions on top. Ayan. So that's it. Tikman natin, guys. So ngayon, guys, titikman natin ang ating mapatubo. Ayan. Tikim na. Mainit pa. Ang sarap, guys. Medyo maanghang pa. But I recommend this para sa inyo. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys. For more recipe, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you.